Hello everyone, welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Amrita and today we are excitedly introducing an amazing project, Fremont by Promisa Realty at Lalbagh, Chinchpokli. In this video, we are going to talk more about the project overview, location advantages, pricing, amenities, special discounts and offers. So this wonderful project, Fremont by Promisa Realty, features on the land parcel of 1.75 acres. Yes, and it is a 60-story tower. So let's look at the 3D model for the further details of this project. So introducing the luxury living in the heart of Mumbai, Lalbagh, Chinchpokli. So it is on the land parcel of 1.75 acres, majestic 60-story tower. Experience elevated living with world-class amenities including an infinity swimming pool and serene presence of a Jain temple and Upashray within the premises. Choose from a selection of meticulously crafted 2, 3 and 4 bed offering 11 feet internal height. Oh my god, that's so lovely. Luxury apartments with spacious interiors and modern comforts, sprawling sun decks, sweeping views of the Mumbai skyline and Mahalakshmi race course. So if it is the location, this is nested on the Taram Landmark next to HDFC Bank, Lalbagh, Chinchpokli, in the heart of Lalbagh and Chinchpokli. Yes, so if you talk about the amenities, we have specialized like very unique amenity O2 tunnels. You can see over here O2 tunnels is unique amenity unto which one can actually see the skyline of Mumbai. Plus you can also rejuvenate because the oxygen level is more than 30%. Also you have a rooftop amenities like Cabana cricket pitch, amphitheater, small golf course and 15 and 16 floors. We have all our amenities like kids play area, swimming pool, jogging garden and much more, and the Jain temple is on that. So we have the structure of G+14 car park with car lifts as well and ramp. Yes, and 15-16 is amenities as I already said, and 17 onwards till 60th we have habitable floors. Yes, so the USP is Jain Mandir and Upashray as well. So if you talk about the luxury configuration, we have 2 bed 828 square feet starting at 3.06 crore onwards, 3 bed 1044 square feet at 4.16 crore onwards. Yes, also we have amazing payment plan which is 10, 20, 30 and 40. So you have to pay in parts of 10%, 20%, 30% and 40%. Oh my god, this is really amazing and the project seems very exciting and fascinating to me as well. So if you want to book your dream home at Lalbagh, Chinchpokli, this is the best project I can say. Let's take a sample tour of 3 BHK at Fremont. Hey, to andar chale. Yes, this is 3 BHK sample flat at Fremont by Promisa Realty at Lalbagh, Chinchpokli. And if you see the flat, this is very beautiful and spacious. This one is a dining space and this one is the already done interior. Otherwise, you are going to get more space in this dining area. And this is your living room. You can see this very beautiful living room, very spacious, and this is my favorite pocket-sized terrace. You can say a deck as well. You can enjoy your coffee with your family members. And now let's move on to our kitchen. This is very beautiful kitchen. Oh my god, this is lovely. And this is your cooking and working table with that. You are getting this utility space. Oh my god, see this space is so huge. It's in a square shape almost. And now I'm getting into my master bedroom. So this is a master bedroom. See the size of the master bedroom is almost 130 to 135 square feet. Yes, and you're getting standing gallery over here. This is your wardrobe space, a huge wardrobe space. You can see all the storages. Also you can keep a table, or this is your deck up. And this is your attached washroom with the best fittings, very spacious, giving a shower separate area. And now let's move on this side. This is a butterfly shape, where one bedroom is that side and 2 bedrooms are this side. This is our common washroom again with the best and beautiful fittings and very spacious. And this one is our common bedroom. Oh my god, this is lovely. We are having our wardrobe space over here. This is a bed area and I can see this is a lot of walking space. This is a standing gallery and here we can see that the height is amazing, so that we have kept a wardrobe smaller unit over there. And this is the USP bedroom, master bedroom. I can say the USP is this one. Oh my god, this is lovely. I can see this walking wardrobe this side as well. And this is our attached washroom. See the attached washroom. Oh my god, so beautifully designed. This is a separate shower area with that. This one is the duct. We can get over here, and you are getting best fittings again in this master bedroom. This here you can keep your mirror and can get ready with that particular area. This is so big. Oh my god, it's almost 140 to 150 square feet. After keeping the bed, you can see you can have your talk with your family. You can keep a sofa or smaller chairs as well. And this is your standing balcony again. Oh my god, I just love this 3 BHK at Lalbagh Chinchpokli, and the USP is Chinchpokli. So Property Clouds connects you directly with developers. Yeah, what you are getting in that, you don't have to pay any brokerage. With that, you are getting the best rates, also extra advantages like free pickup and drop service, flexible payment plans, and special discounts and offers. Yes, so if you want any more information regarding this or any other project in this location, you can contact us today itself. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.